A good, honest lawyer can save you thousands of dollars in a civil case and possibly years of prison in a criminal case. How can you be sure you're hiring an honest lawyer? In this video, I'll give you a lawyer's perspective on the 5 things that I think are most important in hiring an honest, straight-up lawyer. Hello folks, I'm Andrew Williams, and this is another edition of the Fedora Lawyer. Everybody hates lawyers until you need one. And when you need one, you want an honest one. Hiring a lawyer is usually a private matter too. You may not want to ask friends or relatives for referrals because it might be really private, and you may not want them to know that you're hiring a lawyer or that you even have a legal problem. So what do you look for when you want to hire an honest lawyer to represent you? I have 5 indicators that I'm going to tell you right now that'll give you a good idea that you're getting a good, honest lawyer. Number 1, an honest lawyer will never make a guarantee or promise about the outcome of a case. Actually, an honest lawyer won't make any promises other than to do his very best to represent you and give you the best possible legal advice he can. An honest lawyer knows it's impossible to promise a certain outcome. You don't know what's going to happen in a case later on. You don't know what witnesses might pop up or what evidence might come up. You just don't know what's going to happen. So at the time you hire a lawyer, the lawyer's just not going to know how the outcome of the case will be, and therefore he's not going to make any promises about the outcome. Number 2, honest lawyer will give you the bad news as well as the good news. No matter how strong or how solid you think your case is, you don't want a yes man for a lawyer. You don't want a lawyer that'll just agree with everything you say, because you're not a lawyer. That's why you're hiring a lawyer, to give you advice, to tell you the things that you may not have thought of. You don't want to file a lawsuit only to find out you're going to lose thousands of dollars later on, when an honest lawyer would have told you, don't spend your money, hang on to it, because this case is not worth it. Likewise, if you have a criminal case, you don't want to go to trial on a criminal case only to find out you lost and you're going to spend years in prison, when an honest lawyer would have told you to take the reduced charge, take the probation, no jail time attached at all. An honest lawyer will tell you the truth even though they're missing out on the fee. Number 3, an honest lawyer will never tell you he knows the judge and therefore he can get a good deal. Baloney. That's for TV, that's for movies. Judges and lawyers don't shake hands in the back room and make deals like that. They're not going to put their careers on the line for you. Don't be crazy. Why would they throw it all away and do something unethical just to help you out? Don't go down that road. Number 4, an honest lawyer will always have a written contract. Never trust a lawyer that doesn't have a contract written out that's going to say exactly how much money you're going to spend and exactly what he's going to do for the money that you're spending. Everything is in writing, signed by you, signed by the lawyer. You both get copies, no surprises later on. Number 5, honest lawyer will never brag about the number of cases he's won. Just because he won a lot of cases doesn't mean he's going to win your case. And a lot of times they use that ploy, hey, I've won X number of cases, make you think he's going to win your case. Not true. Every case is different. Different jurors, different judges, different facts, different witnesses, different everything. You cannot rely on that. So be wary of a braggart of a lawyer. So that's my take on the 5 things that you should look for in hiring a good, honest lawyer. What are the indicators that you're getting a good lawyer? Honest lawyer, you're not going to make any promises. Honest lawyer is going to tell you the bad news as well as the good. An honest lawyer will never use the I know the judge routine. An honest lawyer will always have a written contract, and an honest lawyer will never brag about the number of cases he's won. Well, I hope this information was helpful. If it was, hit the like button for me. If you like getting informative legal videos like this, you can check out this one that tells you what to do if you have an arrest warrant and you want to get out of jail as quickly as possible. You can also visit my website at andrewwilliamslaw.com. For now, this is the Fedora Lawyer signing off.